What's up, guys, on YouTube today? How are you guys today? I want to show you guys on how you can search up your user guide for your HP Pavilion G6 laptop computer here to upgrade the hardware inside of it. The computer I have, the model I have is 1a75dx model. This is the computer I have. What I want to talk to you guys and explain to you guys on how to upgrade some of the hardware in this computer with new hardware. Well, say you want to upgrade your CPU processor. I have an i-Core 3 processor on my computer. I got 4 gigs of RAM. I want to upgrade to 8 gigs of RAM. That's the capacity of this computer. I want to upgrade the Wi-Fi card with a Intel Citrino wireless in 1030 Wi-Fi card with Bluetooth, and I upgraded the standard DVD drive to a Blu-ray drive. You can also upgrade the hard drive and stuff like that inside this computer. But that's a couple of the things on this computer you can upgrade as well. But like I said, HP does not sell you the manual for this computer because they no longer do that, because years ago that's what they used to do, but it's just a lot easier to download it and look it up online. But if you want to have it, you're going to need a external hard drive or download it on your computer. This is a 250 gigabyte original digital hard drive, but you're also going to need Adobe. You're going to need the flash to read the Adobe file from HP's website. But we'll be right on. This pages was 110 pages long, and I'm going to show you all of the pages as well. But let's go to the interwebs or Safari here to go directly to HP's website. All you're going to do once this thing eventually loads to is we're going to go directly to HP's website. Now, let's go ahead and go to HP. You type in www.hp.com. Now, what we're using why is this is where you go to get your user guide for your computer. Now, how do we search this type of laptop on HP's website? Well, they have a search bar right here, and you're going to need to type the whole thing in, HP Pavilion G6, and also your model in the search bar, and it's going to come up with a list of different user guides. Let's go and do that now. Now, let's talk about the user guide. Well, the user guide is a very good manual to have to upgrade your laptop computer. Now, this computer is a couple years old. It's about 2 years old already. I got it in 2011, 2 years ago. This is a nice computer. I really do like this computer. Now, anybody have this type of computer? You can do it with any type of computer. All you have to do is to search the code in your model as well on any type of website you have to upgrade and also download and upgrade your software and stuff like that as well for this computer. Now, once you typed everything in, this will pop up, and like I said, HP, it's okay. This whole thing will pop up. Okay, now you gotta type this whole thing, not this, but this. Type in HP Pavilion G6 /1a75dx laptop manual for your computer. Now you have found 5 things for this computer. Now, which one are we looking for? Now, the top one is user guides, Yeah, download and software drivers. That's the third one. Your Notebook Easy Start Guide and non-Easy Start Guide for your computer. This is the one we want to click on. The second one here. And it's going to also show more the user guide as well. Why does HP no longer sell the manual with the computer? Because they want to save a bit more money instead of having to printing out 1,000 user guides for each computer. Now, if you want to print this out, make sure you have enough ink in your printer to print out this 110-page document from your computer. It's not the greatest idea, but it also saves you some time on searching and figuring out, what components can I upgrade on my computer? Now, we're going to click the second one down from the Easy Start Guide. This is the user guide. We don't need the bottom one or that one. We just need that one in the middle because he gives you 4. Like I said, it's whatever you want to do with your computer to upgrade the laptop computer. Now, I bought the wrong parts for my computer. I bought 8 gigs of RAM for this computer, but the 8 gigs of RAM did not work with this computer. Didn't boot properly. It just had issues and stuff like that. I also bought apparently the wrong Wi-Fi card. It was also a Intel Citrino Advanced card, but it did not work with this computer as well. That's why you need to do your research before you start upgrading any components in your computer as well. Like, okay, say you want to upgrade your CPU, your RAM, your Wi-Fi card, your memory, your hard drive, and also your DVD drive as well. But you got to do the history first before you do any type of upgrades. Now this is probably a first generation laptop. Now we're just gonna go here and show you the whole pages of this computer. Now again, I'm just gonna go and click it. It's gonna be a very slow process here, but we'll take. I can also speed it up if I want, but I want you guys to get a glimpse of what I am looking for on this computer. Now, by the way, you can do the upgrade yourself if you want, but be warned, if you do the upgrades, make sure each of those components are compatible with your computer. But let a licensed technician do it for you guys. But yes, I understand a computer shop will charge you more to do the stuff you want to do with your computer. Like to upgrade certain components in your computer. Alright, and you can also print this as well, but make sure you have enough ink in your printer again. This is a user guide completely for this type of computer I have here, and the computer I am using. Now, the reason why I need this user guide is to upgrade certain components in this computer. Alright, now let's go to the CPU side of this computer. Now, the CPU in this computer is a Intel iCore 3 processor, the 380M processor at 2.53 gigahertz and at 35 watts. That's the processor that's in this computer. Now if you don't know what the processor is, you can go to your start menu and also click the computer and see what you can find on your computer. Now let's go and do that. Let's go here. Gonna go ahead and right click the computer here. We'll go to properties. And what properties is going to do for us it's going to show us what CPU we have. Now, the CPU tells us what we got. We got a M380 2.53 gigahertz processor in this computer as well. That's what the manual recommends. Now, I can upgrade the CPU to a non-i-Core 3, and I also can bump it up to a non-i5. But you gotta make sure the motherboard in this typical computer can actually handle these newer CPUs. This will also work with a Intel and also AMD as well. If you have an AMD processor, you would go with the AMD version of this computer. You have two of these computers. You have one is an Intel platform, and you also have one is a AMD computer platform. One I have is a Intel platform for this computer as well. Now, this is a dual channel computer. I can suspend it to 8 gigabytes of RAM in this computer. Awesome. And say I want a bigger hard drive. What bigger can you get? But this computer only supports 7050 gigabytes 5400 RPM hard drive. That's what this computer can only handle. Can you put a terabyte drive in? Probably not, because it probably won't support it on the motherboard. It'll probably be too big, and it probably will not work for this type of computer. But did I upgrade the DVD drive to a Blu-ray drive? Yes, I actually did upgrade the standard stock DVD drive to a Blu-ray drive to actually watch Blu-ray movies on my laptop computer. It actually works pretty good. But this is just the user guide completely of this whole computer. Alright, now let's talk about Wi-Fi. Okay, now the stock Wi-Fi code is a Intel Centrino Wi-Fi Wireless N1000 Wi-Fi code. The computer supports this type of code because that's what code's inside of this computer's motherboard. And I can also buy a Intel Centrino Wi-Fi Wireless N1030 Plus with Bluetooth wireless and technology in this computer as well. There's also some own components you can upgrade on this computer, but you gotta do the history first of what the schematics of this computer can be. Now you can take this whole computer apart, clean it, but by the way, if you clean it by one, you'll ruin your warranty as well. HP only gives you like a 1-year warranty for this computer. Now you can see, here's the disassembly of this whole entire laptop. And here's all the parts. You can also buy from HP's website as well. If you need to order these parts, make sure you write down and make sure which parts you got in your computer as well. Now, this can be a very long process of looking for these difficult type of parts. Well, I'm going to try to speed up this process here, and I'm just showing you the glimpses of what the computer is. We're just going to speed it up. Just makes it a lot faster here. I'm sorry guys, if you can't see everything I am scrolling through, I'm scrolling through it really fast here. I apologize for that. But I will actually print out the whole manual of this computer and show you guys the manual itself. But this is the manual on HP's website you can get for free. But it does not come with your computer box when you buy this new computer. for the first time. It only comes with certain things you need to upgrade on your laptop as well. What will be compatible with your computer's motherboard? User guide will be a very useful tool to have for your laptop computer, in case if you want to do any upgrades in the future with your computer as well. Now, almost at the end of the page here. Now, I apologize for me speeding up the process of this manual here, but this is a useful guide to have. Alright guys, if you're brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave a comment below. Please like, please share. Peace out. Bye guys. We'll see you in the next vlog.